Now let's say I accidentally try to close the rear hatch. What happens? Been toward a bit. Let's try that again. I'll be a little shorter. Now I'm very glad it's padded. Now the shot that I wasn't able to do before is inside. So I will use the not quite as lazy method of getting them. Spin the wheels around. Move it back. Lift up. Two glove compartments, both very deep. Okay, so we can open up both doors this way, as long as we don't stand in their way. And if we do that, it doesn't really hurt. Or we can close both doors. Or we can do it the easy way or the hard way. And then once they're closed, we can click on this twice. Now, here we are again. So, that comes up, lots of room underneath. This goes back, lots and lots of room underneath. And if you want to send something to the passengers in the back of the car, everything goes back quite a distance. And if you decide that you don't like this thing, and that instead you'd like to be able to get into the back to visit your passengers, just pull this out really, really hard, and then everything comes up off the ground. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull out onto the street, and I'm going to hit the gas, and there will be a squeal like I'm the biggest jerk in town when I do it, just to show that I'm not kidding when I say that there is tire squeal. There is a guy who took his turbo 4-cylinder minivan from 1989 and does 12-second quarter miles. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.